Hi everyone, welcome to Gallant IAS previous year question discussion series. So in this particular session we will be seeing 4 to 5 environment previous year questions. Okay, so let's start. The first question is from 2019 prelims. The question is, consider the following states: Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Odisha. So with reference to the states mentioned above in terms of percentage of forest cover to the total area of the state, which one of the following is the correct ascending order? So it is asking with reference to the states in terms of the total area of the state, how much is the forest cover coming, and you have to arrange it in according to the ascending order, which means from smaller to bigger one, right? So here actually this is a factual question because this particular data was published in the India State of Forest Report of 2017, which is being published by Forest Survey of India. And here in this particular report it was there like the India's tree and forest cover have increased about close to 1% in 2 years. Okay, and the total forest cover has increased to 21.5% of the total geographical area of India, as well as when we take the forest and tree cover combined, it is like increased to 24.3% of the total geographical area of India. So when we take state wise, it is like Maharashtra, which is having 16.74% of its total area is being occupied by the forest cover. Okay, so then comes Madhya Pradesh, which is about 25%, and then comes Odisha, about 39%, and the last is Chhattisgarh, which with much more, which is about 41%. So here actually the correct order is like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. So answer is like 3, 2, 4 and 1. So option C will be your right answer. Second question. Which of the following leaf modification occur in the desert areas to inhibit water loss? So this particular question is asked, we can say it is from the biome module. Like we can say it is asked from the desert. Okay, desert biome, like the plants or the xerophytes or the plants that we see in the deserts are having certain modifications or adaptive features for surviving in that drier conditions. Okay, so mainly it is like they are having succulent stems, which means they are thick and fleshy stems in order to store water. Okay, in order to cope up with the drier or drought conditions. They are having thick and fleshy stems. Then they are having very tiny leaves, or we can say waxy leaves, or sometimes these leaves may be modified to form thorns or pricks. Okay, so all these modifications can be seen in the xerophytes. So here hard and waxy leaves are seen, tiny leaves, thorns instead of leaves are all adaptive features that you can see in the plants in desert areas. In order they are making these adaptive features in order to reduce the loss of water, or we can say in order to conserve the water. So here the answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Now the third question, with reference to red xanther sometimes seen in the news, consider the following statements. It is a tree species found in a part of South India. So with regard to red xanthers, we know that the sandalwood trees, they are mainly the important tree species found in the deciduous forest. right? They are found in the deciduous forest. So here it is like the red sanders, especially the red sanders, they are endemic to the southeastern parts of India. Okay, so here the first statement, it is a tree species found in a part of South India, is right. It is correct statement. It is one of the most important trees in tropical rainforest areas of South India. Is it tropical rainforest? No, it is the tropical dry deciduous forest. Okay, the red sanders are found in the tropical dry deciduous forest and not the rainforest. So the second statement is wrong, which means that here your answer is option A, 1 only. Fourth question, which one of the following regions of India has a combination of mangrove forest, evergreen forest and deciduous forest? North coastal Andhra Pradesh, South West Bengal, Southern Saurashtra, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So it is very well known that the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is very well acknowledged biodiversity hotspot, and it is having various types of forests, like including the tropical the rainforest or the tropical evergreen forest, the moist deciduous forest, you can see the mangrove forest as well, and also the littoral forest you can see in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is very much diverse. So here your answer is option D, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now the last question. Consider the following states: Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Mizoram. In which of the above states do tropical wet evergreen forest occur? So it is asking about tropical wet evergreen. We know that the tropical evergreen forest or rainforest have been divided into tropical wet evergreen, tropical semi-evergreen as well as tropical dry. So here it is asking about tropical wet evergreen forest where they are seen. So it is like in the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram and Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, and also in the southern states like Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, you can see this particular wet evergreen forest. But it is, you can conveniently eliminate Himachal Pradesh from this particular question because wet evergreen forests are not that seen in Himachal Pradesh. So when you eliminate 2, it is like either 1 only or 1 and 3 only. It is like Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram wet evergreen forests are there. So your answer here turns out to be option C, 1 and 3 only. So that's it for today. We'll see you soon. Thank you.